In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can set up Face Unlock. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Security and Privacy. Then click on Biometrics after scrolling down again, and click on Face Recognition at the top. Following that, enter your current screen lock, hit Continue, keep your face in frame, follow all of those instructions and wait for 100% mark. Then adjust all of those options however you want to, and when you finished, just go back. So when I switch off my screen and turn it back on, I can see that Face Unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!